always how it works in off-road. Today we're going to be working on my 2007 Toyota 4Runner. We're going to be switching out the halogen bulbs in our assemblies to LEDs. I got them from PrecisionLED.com, and I get basically all my LEDs from there. They're great quality, and he has great customer service, and he ships fast. So I'm going to show you all the tools we'll need to do this install. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, we have both of our Precision LED packages that we got in the mail. Your headlight bulb size that you're going to have for this, even though if you select your vehicle on PrecisionLED.com, it will direct you directly to this bulb, and you don't have to worry about figuring out what bulb it is. But these are the H11, and this is the Kepler. They have two different models of their LED headlights. This is one of them. So we're going to open them up. And this will be a little 3M pad you can use to hold your ballast wherever you want to. Of course, with this process, you want to wear some gloves so you don't ruin the LED. And of course, there's your H11 plug-in. That's going to bolt up right, or plug right up to your stock harness. So let's go ahead and first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the old bulb. So let's go ahead and do that. Here is the interior view of the passenger side headlight assembly. So if you're replacing your lows, it's going to be these right here. These up here are your high beams. And everything over here is blinker and running lights and all that. So this one right here, you're just going to push left like that. It'll come out. Once you have your bulb out, there is a push pin on the back here. Just push it down and the headlight bulb will slide out. Now we're going to put in our new bulb. Now here is your ballast. Here's your plug-in. And this is a little mini Allen wrench. And here's your headlight bulb. So now it's totally up to you where you decide to attach this adhesive pad to the ballast, if you want to at all. Doesn't really matter. It's up to you. You want to get your bulb in first. Then go ahead and plug in your plug-in. As you can see, there's 3 plastic prongs on the back of this. You want to make sure that plastic prong goes where the button clip was on the harness. Plug it in. Now that that's in there, we're going to go ahead and test the headlight to make sure it works. So at this point, if you want to use your adhesive pad to maybe clean up an area and mount this somewhere, maybe against this kind of tower mount looking piece of the frame here, or the body. Whatever you want to do with that is up to you. Now, on the driver's side, as you can see, this side is going to be a little bit trickier to get your hands into, but it's still not too bad. I've definitely done worse. Now, if you want an example of where to put those 3M adhesive pads, you'll see right here what I did. I mounted it to that little hump in the body there, and it worked out really well. It shouldn't go anywhere now. And on the driver's side, you can mount it to this wall here, right to the driver's side of the battery. there's plenty of room down there to do it. So that was my install on the PrecisionLED H11 Kepler headlight bulbs for the 2007 4Runner. You can check out their website. They've got LEDs for your interior, your exterior, headlights, your tail lights, your reverse lights, pretty much everything. You can go PrecisionLED.com and check it out there. They've got pretty much every vehicle you can imagine. I hope this video helps someone. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.